Hi, my name is Dr. Christi Pramudji, the founder of ChristiMD Medical Group, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Secret RF Pro. The Secret Pro is great for people that want to bring the glow back to their skin. They're starting to have signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles, and the skin just doesn't look as healthy as it once did. This is going to combine the best of both worlds. So it's microneedling, it's radio frequency, it's laser all in one, which is very unusual to find. Usually you have to do a combination of different treatments in order to achieve the same results. The radio frequency microneedling is going to go deep into the layers of the dermis where the collagen is formed. That's going to build up the strength of the skin. And the CO2 laser is going to resurface the fine lines and little crepiness on the surface of the skin. So the microneedling recovery is not very bad at all, maybe a little discomfort for a day. With the CO2, if we add that on top to really get the optimal results, the patient will notice a lot of redness afterwards, almost like a light to medium sunburn, and feel a sunburn feeling for a couple of days. It's probably best to avoid the sun after the Secret Pro for a couple of days, maybe up to 3 or 4 days, to really allow the skin to rejuvenate and heal from the procedure. So if you're curious about the Secret RF Pro and want to see if you're a candidate or learn more about it, I encourage you to call and make a consultation. We'd love to talk to you and see if it's the best option for you.